Welcome to Skybroking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this Equity Weekly Market Commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Now let's see the fundamental analysis. Checking out the global cues. The last week was dominated by the US inflation story as CPI hit a 31-year high. This week will be more broad-based as more countries release inflation data or hold central bank meetings. The US may be front and center for obvious reasons, but inflation is a global problem and that's becoming increasingly clear. The latest retail sales report will show us how strong the US consumer is despite the recent broad-based pricing pressures. This week kicks off with a selection of Chinese data releases, including retail sales, industrial production, and fixed asset investment. Evergrande avoided default by the skin of its teeth again this week, which keeps party going a little longer. Moving on to the domestic cues, a very light data week for India, with WPI inflation on Monday the only standout release. Stagflation is a word repeatedly thrown out when discussing India's outlook at the moment, and Monday's data could further fuel it. This week, Friday, that is on November 19th, NSE will be a holiday on account of Guru Nanak Jayanti. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Now let's see the technical analysis. Nifty may expect a wide range bound trade in between 17,690 to 18,393 levels, and if it closes above 18,393 on daily basis, further upswings may be seen. Bank Nifty may expect a high volatile trade in between 38,400 to 40,090 levels, and if it closes below 38,300 on daily basis, then see further rally on downside. So these are this week's technical analysis. Now let's move on to the derivative analysis. Based on the option chain analysis, highest open interest for call side is 18,500 strike, and for the put side is 18,000 strike. Overall, 500 points band and the expiry is on 18th November. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has increased with a positive close, and when compared with the previous week, which shows huge put writing. India VIX has settled in 15.21, and when compared with the previous week, it had ended slightly low, which shows mild decrease in the volatility. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy LNT above 1970. The target is 2070 with the stop loss 1875. Buy Bharti Airtel above 750. The target is 790 with the stop loss 711. Coming to the F&O corner, buy Nifty future near 18,040. The target is 18,110 with the stop loss 17,973. Based on the option strategy, long strangle, buy Bank Nifty 39,000 call option near 230 and 38,700 put option near 235. 18th November will be the expiry. The total buy premium is 465. The target is 695 and the stop loss 235. Let's see the institutional activity. According to the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 3,317.16 crores, and for the November month, the FII net sellers are minus 4,004.01 crores. According to the previous week, the DII net buyers were 5,887.66 crores, and for the November month, the DII net buyers are 6,231.48 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skybroking.com. Thank you by Skybroking.